Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and today we are going to be filming another Stitch Fix unboxing. So for those of you that have been keeping up with this series, I am back on my Stitch Fix game. I recently started reordering boxes from Stitch Fix and have had more success than others with some of these boxes coming through, but I do think I've found a stylist that I like. So I think we're gonna stick with her for a while and see what kind of stuff she can turn out for me. But without further ado, let's go ahead and do our favorite portion of the video. These are always quick and fun, but talk about what I got in the boxes. Starting with this really cute top. I don't know how this is gonna fit my body, so we'll of course, as always, insert a try-on portion as well of me putting all of these on. But this is actually by Few Moda. I don't actually know if this is a Stitch Fix brand. I don't believe that it is. Someone can maybe let me know down in the comments below. I'm trying to steer away from the Stitch Fix brands themselves, so this is the Few Moda Louisa tie front blouse in white size small. No, sorry, size 4. My only concern with this is it is a bit sheer, and I'm a little nervous of my chest size that this is not going to fit the way that I hope that it will. So we'll see once we try this on how it looks. Okay, next we have something that I'm actually very excited about. This is a skirt from Studio Blue. This is actually really cute. I'm really excited about this. This is by Studio Blue Yara high-waisted skirt in blue size 2. I think this is super cute. It's very stretchy, which I tend to like from stuff like this. And it's got the skirt covering in the front, the shorts. I think it's gonna be cute. I'm actually very excited to try this on. So we'll give this a go. And as always, I will insert or have inserted some sort of try on for you guys to check out as well. Okay, next, we have a couple dresses, which I'm actually really excited about, and both of them come with two of my favorite things in just clothing in general, which is this mesh like paneling, elastic paneling that I feel like just for my body type and my chest tends to just be more forgiving. This is a really pretty, I think on me will be floor length, polka dot like green and white cap sleeve dress. I actually really like the style of this, and I think the color for me will actually be really cute. I'll be interested to see what it looks like on, but I was thinking for work for like the summertime, this actually would be pretty perfect. It does feel like a pretty good quality material as well. So I'm excited about that. And this is the Maggie London puff sleeve square neck empire dress in olive size 2. So we shall see, like I said, how this fits once we try it on, but I'm very excited about it. Okay. Next, we have another one that I'm hyped about. This is a really beautiful, like navy blue, like really perfect summer dress. It's very basic, has these spaghetti straps that are adjustable, and then like I said in the last dress, has that kind of elastic fit to it, which I feel like for me just tends to sit and be much more flattering, especially with a larger chest. But this is the Dizzy Lizzy tiered maxi dress in navy size small. I feel like I have a very similar style of this, but it's a cotton dress that I just don't wear very often. So I'm excited to give this one a try. And we will insert, as always, of course, like I mentioned, try-ons of me putting everything on, how it looks, how it feels, so you guys can see it on my body. I, again, am always 5'5", around a size small, size 2 for dresses typically, with a 36D chest, 34, I think 34D chest. So just to give you some idea of sizing as well. Now let's continue on to the one thing that I'm the most excited for. All right, I'm very excited for this. We haven't gotten this since I started my Stitch Fix back up again, but guys, we got shoes. I haven't actually seen these in person yet, but I did know shoes were gonna be included in this month's box, and I'm actually really excited for these. Check these out. Look at how cute the woven detail is. The heel's a little high, which I don't love. It's actually not that high. I just don't wear as high of heels anymore because, yeah, I just don't wear them as often. But yeah, these actually feel really comfortable too. There's a good amount of padding in the shoe. Oh, I'm really excited about these. They just look like cute little fun summer shoes. Okay, I'm excited for this box. I think this is gonna be good. If I haven't put them through already, we're gonna see everything tried on. I'm so excited. Hopefully if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know down in the comments below if you're excited to see more Stitch Fix unboxings and try-ons from me. If there's a way you guys kind of want me to change up these videos, also let me know. If you guys like seeing the try-ons after I show you guys the items, or if you guys are good with kind of these short form videos where I just do everything at the same time. I think that's pretty fun and just quick and easy for you to get through the video in a pretty good amount of time. As always, if you guys are interested in trying Stitch Fix for yourself, I will have a link down in the comments in the pinned caption probably down below. Other than that, give this video a thumbs up if you did like it, subscribe to see more of my face, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!